Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security benefits online in Portugal. First, you'll need to register for the Segurança Social Direita portal, which is the official online platform. This guide will walk you through each step, from gathering your documents to submitting your application. We'll cover common questions and provide helpful tips to ensure your application is processed efficiently. Let's get started on securing your benefits. Before you begin, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements, typically involving residency or contributions to the Portuguese social security system. You'll need your NIF or tax identification number, which is crucial for all official processes in Portugal. Also, have your identification document, like a passport or residence card, ready. Don't forget proof of your current address and any documents detailing your social security contributions. Once logged into Segurança Social Direita, locate the section for benefit applications. This is usually under My Social Security or a similar heading. Take your time to accurately fill out all the digital forms, ensuring every field is completed. You will then upload clear, scanned copies of all your supporting documents. Double-check everything before proceeding to the final submission stage. After submitting your application, you'll receive a confirmation message, often with a reference number. It's important to regularly check the Segurança Social Direita portal for updates on your application's status. If the system requests additional information, respond as quickly as possible to avoid delays. Processing times can vary, but typically range from a few weeks to a couple of months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.